Hi, Daft Scots here, and this is going to be a video response to the last video from Foul Mouth T-shirts. Now, Foul Mouth T-shirts is an awesome website, and they do really offensive T-shirts, which are like fucking awesome. But I've just got one bone to pick with you. I know that your May Muthafucking madness special is happening and everything is $12.95, but which is all great and well because I'd love to buy some of your t-shirts, but you don't fucking ship to South Africa. So what is that all about? Love to hear from you. Why the fuck not? Because, and if you're not going to ship to South Africa, at least let me win some of your damn t-shirts so that you can, so that I can put them on my blog and put them on YouTube and give you a bit of publicity. So don't be stupid, you silly plonker. Just either make me a winner or ship to South Africa, okay? Oh yes, and by the way, your Pussy Whip t-shirts, yes, you've got 3 different chicks on there, but none of them are redheads. So there's another cock up you made. What else? I think that's about it. Just the fact that I'm really pissed that you don't ship to South Africa. So look into it. Cheers. Bye.